Hey guys, Justin here with Zone Off-Road, and I'm here to show you a really awesome kit we have for the 2020 to 2024 GM 2500 and 3500 series trucks. This is our 3-inch Adventure Series suspension system. This is going to give you an additional 3 inches of lift height in the front and about 1.5 inches or so in the rear, just enough room to clear a 35-inch tire, get some stance in there, but also greatly improve ride quality as well as, overall look and performance. So let's dig in, see what we got here. So first thing we got here is a set of torsion bar keys. Don't go cranking up your torsion bars. That's terrible for suspension geometry. It causes horrible ride quality. Get a proper key. We have them here in this system. We're going to relocate that properly. When we go all the way up to 3 inches, we want to add the Adventure Series upper control arm. We have this kit available in 2-inch without the upper control arm, but to do it right, get geometry right, and get this thing to ride and drive right, we want to use these upper control arms. And if you're going to use an upper control arm to correct geometry, it might as well be a strength upgrade. These things are beefy. They use OE style bushings and ball joints. They're not going to give you problems. Good geometry. Excellent performance. Out back, we're leveling the stance of the truck. We got about a 2-inch fabricated block. I love these fabricated blocks, super beefy. Go along with the U-bolts. Be mindful of overload and non-overload springs on your trucks. And then of course the sway bar drops and all the associated hardware. So we've upgraded the suspension on this truck, but what are we going to do with the shocks? We got a few options for you here at Zone Off-Road. First is our Zone Off-Road Nitro Series shock. This is a twin tube OE style design. The length is set up for the additional ride height of the truck, and it's got a mild performance tune in it for that on-road driving. So if a little more performance is in your budget, Zone Off-Road is part of the Fox Factory Performance brands. We have these amazing Fox Adventure Series 2.0 shocks here. These are an internal floating piston design, just like the 2.0 Performance Series, but made in a powder coated steel body. We have these specifically tuned and valved for your truck based on the kit you buy. So you're liking what you see here, click that link below to see this kit installed on a vehicle. And if you want to see the vehicle kind of in motion or what we're doing with it, there's another link below to check out a truck all outfitted with this kit. As always, if you want to put one in your cart, head over to zoneoffroad.com and check us out on social media, both Facebook and Instagram, Zone Off-Road, to see what we're up to on the day-to-day.